Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create deals in Hubspot. So to do that, first go to hubspot.com and log in with your account. It's going to log in with Google. Once we are in the interface, just click on settings, and when you scroll down you can see objects. Click on there and click on deals. So once you're in here, you can just set up your deal. For example, I'll just click here. Here you can see various properties. Just click here, click create property, object type deal, label paste, description paste, click next. Yeah, great. So yeah, that is how you can create deals in HubSpot. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.